Hi everyone, my name is Shay. I want to quickly show you how to create an over effect on a button in Figma. So I've created these two buttons. This is lighter blue and this is darker shade of blue. So just to create a difference between the two. So what I will do next is I will select both buttons by dragging on them. So you can select. Okay, let me select it this way. Make this a component. Click on this, make this one also a component. So I will select the two by pressing and holding shift key on my keyboard and combine, come to this side, combine as variants. I've combined them as variants, and the next thing I want to do is come to the prototype section, click on prototype, connect this button to this and change it, the effect from on click to while hovering. And I want to change the animation to smart animate. Smart animate is in, and we are done. So let's test the button. So I want to copy this, copy. So the landing page, there's a hero section I just quickly created for this, for the purpose of this tutorial. So paste here, uh, paste here. So this is like a landing page I just created. A hero section. So wait, let's play it. Alright, so let's check. Yeah, you can see the effects now. But the transition is slow, it's sluggish a bit, so let me fix that. Come back here, change it to prototype mode. And while hovering, let me make it easy and out. And let's reduce it to 100 milliseconds. So let's check. Yeah, this makes sense. So that is it. Subscribe to my channel and let's grow this channel together. Thank you.